Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Ps5. This prevents damage and saves time later. Once done, wait at least 60 seconds so residual power dissipates. Move to a flat, static-safe workspace and remove the console's side panel by sliding and lifting. Apply gentle, even pressure. Make sure you have a T8 or PH0 screwdriver, the compatible M2 NVMe SSD and heatsink ready. This immediate action gets you into the drive bay fast and reduces risk of static or screw damage as you proceed. Next, you remove the expansion cover and the M2 slot shield. These protect the slot and are simple to unscrew. Once exposed, align the SSD at a shallow angle into the slot, push gently until the contacts seat, then press the free end down to match the standoff. Secure it with the tiny screw. This keeps the drive stable under vibration. After that, attach the heatsink or confirm the drive's heatsink is aligned. Proper cooling matters to maintain speeds and prevent throttling during long play. Finally, reattach the M2 slot cover and the console side panel, then reconnect power and other cables. Power on the Ps5 and you'll be prompted to format the new SSD. Follow the on-screen steps to set the drive up for games and apps. Make sure you choose the recommended format option so the system can use full speed. If the drive isn't detected, power down, reseat the SSD and screws, or confirm the SSD's dimensions and PCIe generation match Sony's requirements. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.